Welcome to my YouTube channel Advance Info. Watch, like and share this video. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. This is love from your side. The Shanghai Science and Technology Museum. The Shanghai Science and Technology Museum, SSTM, is a world-class science museum located in Pudong, Shanghai, China. The museum, which opened to the public in 2001, is one of the largest and most comprehensive science museums in Asia, covering an area of 68,000 square meters. The SSTM's mission is to promote scientific education and the popularization of science and technology in China. The museum has over 13 permanent exhibition halls, each focusing on a different area of science and technology, including physics, chemistry, biology, and earth science. The museum also has a planetarium, an IMAX theater, and a number of temporary exhibition halls. The permanent exhibition halls at the Shanghai Science and Technology Museum are designed to be both informative and entertaining, with interactive exhibits that engage visitors of all ages. The exhibits are presented in both Chinese and English, and cover a wide range of topics in science and technology. One of the most popular exhibits at the Shanghai Science and Technology Museum is the Earthquake Experience Hall, which simulates the experience of being in an earthquake. Visitors can feel the shaking of the ground and the sound of the earthquake, as well as learn about earthquake science and safety. Another popular exhibit is the Robot World, which features a variety of robots that visitors can interact with. The exhibit showcases the latest advancements in robotics, including humanoid robots, service robots, and industrial robots. The Shanghai Science and Technology Museum also has a Life Science Hall, which explores the mysteries of life, from the structure of cells to the diversity of life on Earth. The exhibit features interactive displays and multimedia presentations that explain the basic principles of biology and genetics. The museum's Energy Hall is another highlight, showcasing the latest technologies in renewable energy, such as solar and wind power. The exhibit explains the science behind these technologies and their potential for reducing carbon emissions and combating climate change. In addition to its permanent exhibits, the Shanghai Science and Technology Museum also hosts a number of temporary exhibitions throughout the year. These exhibits cover a wide range of topics, from space exploration to Chinese inventions, and are designed to showcase the latest developments in science and technology. The Shanghai Science and Technology Museum's planetarium is another popular attraction, offering visitors the chance to explore the wonders of the universe. The planetarium has a state-of-the-art digital projection system that creates stunningly realistic images of the night sky, as well as educational programs that explain the science behind the stars and planets. The museum's IMAX theater is also a popular destination, showing a variety of science and nature films in 3D. The theater's giant screen and advanced sound system create an immersive viewing experience that brings the wonders of the natural world to life. In addition to its exhibits and attractions, the Shanghai Science and Technology Museum is also a center for scientific research and education. The museum has a number of laboratories and research facilities that conduct cutting-edge research in a variety of fields, including materials science, energy, and environmental science. The museum also hosts a variety of educational programs for students and teachers, including workshops, summer camps, and field trips. These programs are designed to inspire and engage young people in the wonders of science and technology, and to promote scientific literacy and critical thinking skills. Overall, the Shanghai Science and Technology Museum is a world-class science museum that is both informative and entertaining. The museum's exhibits and attractions showcase the latest advancements in science and technology, while also highlighting the importance of scientific research and education. Whether you are a lifelong science enthusiast or simply curious about the world around you, the Shanghai Science and Technology Museum is a must-visit destination that is sure to inspire and amaze. Thanks for watching this informative video. Also subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.